Hello everyone, I'm back with the next video of Is Matter Around Us Pure? And the topic that we are going to discuss here is what is a mixture? So, as you see in front of you, NCERT book is open up, and you also, please, children, take out your books, keep a pencil with you so that you underline important lines and also note down few important notes that you want to in either in your book or in your rough notebook. So let's start with what is a mixture. As you see in your NCERT, mixture are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter. As we have already said, that what are pure substances? Pure substances are those substances which contain only one kind of matter that are chemically similar. That are chemically similar. So, what is a mixture? Mixture is a combination of different types of particles which have different chemical nature. Children, you see here, a substance cannot be separated into other kind of matter by any physical process. Now, this point I'll be explaining you in the next video. So just remember and mark it that you will understand these lines in the next video that I am going to send you. Because in this video, I'll discuss about mixtures. So in this PowerPoint presentation, children, in front of you, you can see mixtures and solutions. See children, what is a mixture? Mixture is a type of two or more types of atoms that are not chemically combined together. Now, to describe this, they have represented different kinds of atoms in different size and colors. See, so this is a mixture because the atoms are not chemically similar. So different kinds of atoms are combined together and they form a mixture. So mixture can be in any combination. Two solids can form a mixture, two liquids can form a mixture, two gases can also form a mixture. So any combination of solid, liquid and gas can be made and we call it as mixture. Okay. Now let's see. Mixture of solids. See here, this is a solid, the jar is a solid and we have kept some solid particles in it. So this is a mixture. So two solids have been combined here. Okay, this is also a mixture. See, different characters, different colors. Even the medicine we take, the cover is also solid and the medicine inside is also solid. So this is also a mixture. Again here, the coins, different type of coins are collected. It is also an example of mixture of solids. Mixture in liquids. You drink tea. Now when you drink tea, you put milk or you put water, sugar, tea leaves. So it is a mixture. See, mixture of liquids, juice. है ना, we make different, we can put different liquids into each other and they mix together. Like the example is alcohol and water, they mix with each other very easily. Now squash that you make at home, tang, you children drink tang at home. That is also mama used to make a strong syrup of tang, and whenever somebody comes at home, she mixes a small portion of that liquid into water and give it to the guest. Okay, so that is also an example of liquid mixture. See, mixture of gases. Now, these are the mixture of gases, examples of mixture of gases. If you spray a little bit of perfume inside the room, it will spread out in the room. Why? Because that perfume has mixed up with the gas present in the air. Okay, children, then we are talking here about various types of mixtures. There are two major types of mixtures, heterogeneous and homogeneous. Okay, hetero means different, children. Hetero means different, and homo means the same. Okay, hetero means different, homo means same. Now what does it mean? You can see the different parts of the mixture easily. Like if I mix sand in water, what will happen? You will see that the sand will settle down and you can easily see sand and water. You can easily make out different phases of this mixture of sand and water. Now, but if I ask you to mix salt in water, you won't be able to see salt differently in water because salt or sugar will mix in water. So you will not be able to see different phases or different parts of this mixture. So a mixture in which you can easily see the different parts are known as heterogeneous mixture, and the mixture in which you cannot see different phases or parts is known as homogeneous mixture. Okay, I hope I am clear with this. See, this is a heterogeneous mixture because you can see various different parts. See, you can make out various leaves because of their color difference. So it's a heterogeneous mixture. Now here also in this, you can make out different various parts of this mixture. And similarly with the mixture of coins. So all these are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. But this you cannot make out which part is water, which part contains sugar, which part contains tea leaves. We cannot make out, so it is a homogeneous mixture. Similarly here we cannot make out whether it is mixed, which part is water, which part is the alcohol or wine, whatever it is mixed with, we cannot make out different phases. Similarly with this balloon and the air inside the balloon. So these are the examples of homogeneous mixtures. Okay, children. So which kind of mixture? See, classify each type of mixture as heterogeneous or homogeneous. Now this is cereal. You can see a bowl of cereal where you can make out different colors. You can see various different colors. So it is a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, but here this is a juice, grape juice. So I cannot make out which part of grape, which is the part that is liquid inside. I cannot make out different phases of this mixture, so it is homogeneous. But here again, because I can make out different colors, I can see, I can separate them by hand, so it is a heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Okay, children. So till here, I just want to make you clear that this page actually discuss about the various types of mixtures. So in the next video, I will be discussing about the line that I was telling you. A substance cannot be separated into the other kind of matter by any physical process. I'll just explain you in the next video. Okay, children, take care. Bye-bye.